Good morning, students. Welcome to all 8th class students on new academic session 2021 to 2022. I, Kailash Chandra Geru, your English Acharya. Just like last year, this year also our Shiksha Vikas Samiti plans to stay home and study during this epidemic corona situation. No one should go outside and stay home and teach through online education. I hope you will help me in this. So students, today I am going to discuss about the first topic, your English textbook, only made impossible possible. Only made impossible possible. So students, let's find out now what is the meaning of impossible. What is the meaning of impossible? Impossible means what is not possible, not able to done, or very difficult to deal with. And possible means which can be done, and made means happened or committed. So the topic name is only made impossible possible. Only केमिति असंभव को संभव करुछि, only केमिति असंभव को संभव करुछि. Impossible, there is no impossible in this world. Impossible is a word which found in the dictionary of fools. So dear students, you know that every topic has three main parts. One is pre-reading, the second one is while reading, and the last one is post-reading. So come to the pre-reading part of the topic. Look at the picture and the title of the story. Look at the picture and the title of the story. The title of the story is only made impossible possible. And look at the picture. What do you see in the picture? What do you see in the picture? In the picture, you see here a lawyer. Lawyer means a professional person authorized to practice law. Lawyer अर्थात जो व्यक्ति वकिलाती करती ताको आमे कौन कहू, वकील बा आईनजीवी कहू. एंड ही इज ए जज. जज मीन्स वन हु जजेस, विचारक जे विचार करती. And here a witness person who gives evidence in the court. वकील जे साक्षी आम जहाँ को कहू जे कि अदालत रे प्रमाण दिए. एंड ये अक्यूज पर्सन, द पर्सन हु कमिटेड ए क्राइम. जो व्यक्ति अभियुक्त व्यक्ति को आम अक्यूज पर्सन बोली कहू. आठी हियर there standing stenographer. Stenographer, the person who write or type of official work. So students, look at the picture and can you guess what the story about? Who are there in the picture? There is a lawyer, there are a lawyer, judge, and a witness, accused person, stenographer in this picture. कैन यू गेस व्हाट द स्टोरी विल बी अबाउट? निश्चित भाव में यहाँ गोटे कौन तो अदालत निश्चित भाव में तुम्हें देखिकी जापर यहाँ गोटे अदालत ये किसी ना कि कौन क्राइम हो कि मर्डर हो कि चोरी हो ए संबंध में किसी विचार चलती इज नॉट इट? यस. So students, now I will read SGP1. You listen it carefully. Once a thief was caught for stealing a purse from a man. The thief was handed over to the police. The police sent him to jail. The person who was arrested had to be tried out in a court. On the day of the trial, the man whose purse was stolen hired a lawyer and 3 witnesses. The witnesses were present when the purse was stolen. The third witness had some problems, he could not come. At the time of trial, the first witness was called to the witness box. The judge asked, when was the theft made? Was it day or night? The first witness replied, it was day, my lord. The second question the judge asked, how many persons were there at the time of the theft? 5, your honor, said the witness. The judge's third question was, what the color of the stolen purse was? Black, your honor, replied the witness. So students, now will know the word meaning of SGP1. Impossible. Impossible means not possible. Not possible. Asambhava. And possible that can be done. Sambhava. Thief means one who steals. Chora. And stealing means the act of taking something from someone अनलॉफुली. चोरी करिबा कार्य. चोरी करिबा कार्य जोटा कि आईन सम्मति नुहे. अनलॉफुली. एंड पर्स मनी बैग हैंडेड ओवर मीन्स टू सरेंडर समवन और समथिंग टू अनदर. हस्तांतर करिबा. जेल हेउछि प्रिजन कारागार. अरेस्टेड टेक इन टू द कस्टडी बंदी होइथिबा. ट्राइड आउट मीन्स विचार करिबा. कोर्ट अदालत. लॉयर जे कि वकील बा आईनजीवी आम ताकू कहू. ए प्रोफेशनल पर्सन ऑथराइज्ड टू प्रैक्टिस लॉ. एंड विटनेस मीन्स ए पर्सन हु गिव्स एविडेंस इन कोर्ट. साक्षी. विटनेस बॉक्स ए प्लेस where people stand or sit in a court of law to give his statement. जोटा कि कोर्टर काठगड़ा. विटनेस बॉक्स जोठारे अक्यूज पर्सन एंड विटनेस दुई जन छिड़ा होई निजर बयान दे थांती. एंड प्रॉब्लम्स मीन्स समस्या. ए स्टेट ऑफ डिफिकल्टी दैट नीड्स टू बी रिसॉल्व्ड. Committed means happened or made, performed an act. कार्य होइथिला. तो एबे आमे जानिबा तार अर्थ जानिबा ता मीनिंग देखिबा. once a thief was caught for stealing a purse from a man. The thief was handed over to the police. So once a thief was caught while stealing a purse from a man. He was handed over to the police. Then the police sent him to jail. The police sent him to jail. The person who was arrested had to be tried out in court. On that day, the man whose purse was stolen hired a lawyer and 3 witnesses. The witnesses were present when the purse was stolen. On the day of the trial, only 2 witnesses were present because the third witness had some problem, so that he could not come to the court. At the time of trial, the first witness was called to the witness box, and the judge asked, when was the theft made, or when was the theft committed? It was day, or whether it was day or night when the theft was committed. The first witness respectfully said that it was day, my lord. Then the judge asked him how many persons were present at the time of theft. The witness's reply was that there were 5 persons present when the purse was stolen. And the judge's third question was what the color of the stolen purse was. The witness replied that it was black. So the first SGP is now over. So I'll give some homework. The comparison question from question number 1 to 12. So you have to do this question answer at your home. Thank you all. I will teach the remaining SGP2 in the next class. Still now you will stay home and be safe. Thank you all.